Embroidery is an enriching and creative craft that has increasingly captured the interest of countless enthusiasts around the world. With its ability to enhance textiles and garments and to personalize products with intricate designs and high-quality stitching, it's no surprise that many individuals seek to learn this beautiful form of art. In this comprehensive beginner's guide, we will specifically explore the realm of single-head domestic embroidery machines, which have become the starting point for many budding embroiderers. Embroidery machines have come a long way since their inception, with technology advancing to cater to different skill levels and project needs. On today's market, these machines can be found in a spectrum of sizes, showcase varying functionalities, and come equipped with features that can suit a wide range of budgets. In 2023, prospective buyers are presented with a diverse selection, stretching from relatively inexpensive domestic machines costing only a few $100s to the more sophisticated and durable multi-head machines, which could easily demand $30,000 or more. However, for someone who is stepping into the world of embroidery, the single-head domestic embroidery machine is typically the most appropriate and manageable choice. The allure of single-head domestic embroidery machines lies in their simplicity and convenience, making them the ideal choice for beginners. Known for their user-friendly nature, these machines are often sold with a 1-year warranty, providing a sense of security to the purchaser. They are also regarded as maintenance-free, which drastically reduces the intimidating aspects of machine upkeep for a novice. You would not be required to grease or oil these machines periodically. Instead, this task is generally taken care of by a certified local embroidery machine engineer. This professional conducts an annual service to ensure that your machine remains in optimal working condition. The primary maintenance you would be responsible for is the routine cleaning of the machine to remove thread and lint that may accumulate in the rotary hook and around the needle mechanism. This simple task is vital as it prevents potential jams and maintains the overall health of your machine. However, it is worth noting that in the quest to make these machines accessible and affordable, many smaller models may incorporate plastic parts rather than metal. While more budget-friendly, the predominance of plastic components can sometimes mean that the most basic machines operate slower and can be more laborious to use. They may lack the robustness and speed of their higher-end counterparts, but are generally capable of completing embroidery tasks effectively, albeit with a bit more patience required from the user. When it comes to brands like Brother, a general rule of thumb is that the more money you are prepared to invest in your machine, the higher the likelihood of having a construction with fewer plastic parts and more durable metal components. This principle tends to stand true for most domestic or semi-commercial machines, whereas full-blown commercial models, such as those from the renowned brand Tajima, almost exclusively incorporate all metal parts, ensuring reliability and longevity. Before committing to any single-head domestic embroidery machine, it is paramount to carefully consider what you need from the machine and how much you are willing to spend. As a beginner, you might be content with a basic machine that possesses a limited number of features, as it allows you to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of machine embroidery without feeling overwhelmed. However, as your skills evolve and you become more ambitious with your embroidery projects, you may find yourself longing for a more advanced machine that can accommodate your growing demands. Some critical features to look for when selecting a single-head domestic embroidery machine include the number of needles the machine supports, its maximum stitch speed, the size of the embroidery area, and whether it offers computer connectivity. The number of needles can impact the ease with which you can work on multicolored designs without having to manually change threads. Stitch speed, of course, determines how quickly your embroidery projects can be completed, an important factor if you plan to undertake sizable or multiple pieces. The embroidery area size is essential for understanding the maximum dimensions of your embroidery designs, while computer connectivity enables you to import designs from your computer, expanding the scope of your creative work. In the fascinating journey through the world of domestic embroidery machines, one must remember that while they come in all shapes and sizes, the single-head domestic machine stands out for its beginner-friendly nature. These machines offer a blend of uninterrupted maintenance, thanks to their servicemen, and come with a reassuring 1-year warranty, making them exceedingly suitable for those who are just getting acquainted with the craft. When it's time for you to make the decision to invest in a single-head domestic embroidery machine, immerse yourself in a thoughtful consideration of your current budget, Anticipate your future needs as your expertise grows, and meticulously weigh the importance of features such as the number of needles, stitch speed, embroidery area, and the capability of computer connectivity. These considerations are essential in ensuring that the machine you choose will be a reliable partner in your embroidery endeavors, spurring you on to explore the depths of your creativity and excel in the art of embroidery. With this informative guide as your foundation, you are well prepared to embark on the delightful and fulfilling journey that embroidery promises. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.